Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Laxasfit smartwatch. First, make sure your Laxasfit watch has at least 80% battery life to prevent interruptions during setup. Next, download the official Laxasfit companion application from your phone's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone, which is essential for the watch and phone to communicate wirelessly. These initial steps are crucial for smooth and successful pairing. Once the app is installed, open it and either create a new account or log in with your existing credentials. Within the application, look for an option like Add Device or Pair Device, usually found in the Settings or Dashboard. Your Laxasfit smartwatch should appear in the list of discoverable Bluetooth devices. Tap on it to initiate the pairing. You will then receive a confirmation prompt on both your phone and watch, which you need to accept to finalize the connection. After successful pairing, your Laxasfit smartwatch will begin its initial data synchronization with the application. This process ensures all your health and activity data are up to date. Take this opportunity to personalize your watch by adjusting settings like the time format, choosing between a 12-hour or 24-hour display, and selecting your preferred units of measurement, such as miles or kilometers. You can also customize notification preferences and explore various watch faces to match your style. Should you encounter any connection difficulties, a simple restart of both your smartphone and Laxasfit smartwatch often resolves common issues. Always ensure your Laxasfit application is updated to its most recent version, as updates frequently include bug fixes and performance enhancements. For a stable connection, keep your watch and phone within a close range, typically within 10 meters or about 33 feet. Finally, remember to regularly check for and install any available firmware updates for your smartwatch through the app to ensure you have the latest features and improvements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.